This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese garlic Maggi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles with its tastemaker, 2 cloves of finely minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite grated cheese. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter and about 1/4 cup of water to get started. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over a medium flame. Once melted, add your finely minced garlic and sauté it for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Then, carefully add your Maggi noodles and the included tastemaker to the boiling water. Continue to cook the noodles for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. You want the noodles to absorb most of the water, becoming tender and slightly saucy. Now, it's time for the star ingredients. Stir in your 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. Mix everything thoroughly until the cheese is completely melted and creates a wonderfully creamy texture throughout your Maggi. Your delicious cheese garlic Maggi is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot noodles into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander or a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, cheesy, and garlicky flavors at their best. Enjoy your quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.